IV characteristics of Zener diode. Aim: conduct an experiment to study the current voltage characteristics, that is IV characteristics of a Zener diode under forward and reverse bias conditions, and to determine the breakdown voltage. The apparatus required are a constant DC power supply, milliammeter, voltmeter, Zener diode, a set of resistors, and the symbol of the Zener diode is shown here. Here Z indicates the Zener diode, and this is the negative region or the P region of the diode taken as a cathode, and this is the positive region of the diode taken as an anode. Now we shall operate the Zener diode under two bias conditions, that is a forward bias condition. First we are discussing that, where this forward bias condition we are observing the P region of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of battery through an ammeter and then resistance, and the end region is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and here a voltmeter is connected in parallel to the diode to measure the input, measure the voltage across the diode. And this is a circuit for model circuit for reverse bias, where you can observe the P region of the diode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery through an ammeter and resistance, and the end region is connected to the positive terminal of battery, and here the Zener and the voltmeter is added parallel to measure the voltage across the diode. Now the experimental arrangement, which is shown in form of a block diagram, can be observed here on the kit. Here you can see this is the milliammeter used to measure the output current in both biases, this is forward bias and reverse bias. While measuring the forward current through the Zener diode, we use the upper scale whose current is in the range of 0 to 10 milliamperes with a least count of 0.2 milliampere. While we observe the reverse current through the diode, we use the bottom scale here, which is in the range of 0 to 5 milliamperes with a least count value of 0.1 milliampere. And this is the voltmeter used to measure the voltage through the diode. We can observe here that again the upper scale here is in the range of 0 to 1 volt, which we use it in the forward bias during the forward bias measurements, and here the lower scale in the range of 1 to 10 volts we use it in the reverse bias measurements. This is the voltage control used to vary the input voltage through the diode, and these are the toggle switches for ammeter. This is presently in the forward mode, that is along the forward bias, whose maximum current measurable is 10 milliampere. If you toggle it to lower mode, we can observe it in reverse bias, whose maximum value is of 5 milliampere. And similarly, there is another toggle switch to shift the diode operation from forward to reverse bias and vice versa. These are the toggle switches for the voltmeter in the forward bias mode and reverse bias mode. If you operate in the forward bias, we put the toggle switch forward. And this is the Zener diode. Now switch on this mains and move the toggle switches towards forward. So all the toggle switches are placed in the forward mode. Now gradually increase the reverse bias voltage. Now gradually increase the reverse bias voltage. First we'll increase the forward bias voltage gradually. And correspondingly we'll observe the current value for any breakdown if it occurs. Now we can observe that the input voltage is about 0.63 volt. We can observe it over here, and the breakdown value of current here is observed to be around about 0.2 milliampere. Now up to 0.63, from 0 to 0.63 volts, the current is 0, but at 0.63 the forward breakdown occurred, and the current value is 0.2 milliamperes. And thereafter we increase the voltage at regular intervals of either 0.02 volt or 0.01 volt, we increase the current voltage at regular intervals, and correspondingly we record what is the increase in current. We can observe these variations in current and voltage in the forward bias. We can observe that. So in Zener diode we can understand one point, that even if there is a small increase in voltage also, the increase in current is significantly higher. This is because of the doping concentration. The observations recorded in the forward bias can be tabulated over here. We can see that at forward bias voltage of 0 to 0.62 value, the current is 0. But when the input voltage is about 0.63 volt, we observe a current value of 0.02 milliamperes, 0.2 milliamperes. In a similar fashion, we record the other observations also. Now we adjust this input voltage to its initial value, and we shift all the toggle switches to the reverse mode. Now we apply a reverse bias voltage through this Zener diode, and we observe the corresponding change in current. We can see here that though the voltage is increasing, reverse bias voltage is increased, but there is no change in the current. Now we can observe here that at a reverse bias voltage of about 5.8 volts, we observed a Zener breakdown. The current value is approximately 0.04 milliamperes. Now we can observe that though we increase the reverse bias voltage further, but the voltage remains constant, but there is a gradual increase in current. But the voltage remains constant at 0.6 only, or 0.58 to 0.6 only. This indicates that this Zener diode under reverse bias acts as a voltage regulator. Right? It is not 0.6 volts, it is 6 volts. We can see that up to 5.8 or 6, we can observe that the current is almost 0. At 5.8 we observed a breakdown, but though the voltage is further increased, it remains constant, but the current value we can observe it is gradually increases. So the breakdown voltage is about 6 volts. Now all the observations are tabulated here. There is a reverse bias voltage versus the current. You can tabulate the observations here. Right. Later a graph is plotted, in which we plot the behavior of the Zener diode under forward bias and the reverse bias conditions. We plot it over here. So this is the IF and VF, both are positive. This indicates the forward region, bias region of the diode, and this is reverse voltage and reverse current, both are negative. We can observe this region is the negative region, reverse bias region of the diode, and this width is indicating the Zener breakdown voltage from the graph.